Jordan Brand's 40th anniversary isn't only about classic retros, it's also about pushing the lineup forward. One of the most active silhouettes right now is the Air Jordan 4 RM, and the upcoming pale ivory colorway highlights that modern direction ahead of its spring 2026 release. While Michael Jordan never wore the AJ4 RM on court, the model has built its own identity since debuting with Nigel Sylvester. It blends key DNA from Tinker Hatfield's 1989 Air Jordan 4 with updated tooling and materials designed for everyday wear. The pale ivory edition leans heavily into lifestyle appeal, featuring layered tones of off-white, cream, and soft blush. Smooth leather, suede, and translucent details keep the look clean and versatile. Subtle pink accents add just enough contrast, while the reworked sole with visible air cushioning focuses on comfort over performance. Expect this pair to release spring 2026 on Nike.com and select Jordan brand retailers.